Today, this afternoon, I'm in Midstream Ridge in the greater Midstream. Behind me, I've got something so special that this is a must-see. I want to show you this specific property that covers a floor coverage of 679 square meters under roof, and the land is just over 1,200 square meters. You'll notice as we're going through, it is located on a park. Beautiful property, 4 bedrooms, big private study room overlooking this natural park in front of you, and 4 garages, open plan, staff accommodation, beautiful finishes. And it's going in the market for 15.9 million. There's a lot of smaller details that I will focus as we're going through, like especially the trees. The stems of these trees, they've paid an enormous amount of to get this existing trees and replant them on this specific stand. So this is one of the trees in front, and this thorn tree here as well. This is so thick I cannot even put my arms around it. Beautiful old mature tree. But that's not all. Let me go and show you inside. Like I mentioned, open plan, double volume, everything is high ceilings, high glass doors, high sliding doors. I'll point it out as we're going through this property. I'm going to start here at the guest room. Entering the guest room, beautiful. This feels like even a main ensuite. The size on it, and you got a private garden. I'll show you on that side now. Ensuite, a lot of dresser space here, double basin, give it a toilet, frameless showers, beautiful finishes. Let me show you on this side. While you're in your bed, you can see the morning sun rising there in the east, overlooking. And you've got beautiful doors opening up onto this garden space, your own private garden. And to place your focus, another big tree in this corner. Look at this size. Beautiful. Yard space. And you'll notice there's not a solid fence up here. So it's a see-through fence because the Inkoli and the wildlife, small little buck, is running on the other side. Let me show you the rest of the property inside. While looking at this door length, all 2.4 meter high doors. A private lounge area, air conditioning, and all these doors facing north. This is a double stacker door that also lead onto the garden. And then while you're sitting here and looking at this spectacular fish tank here, this is included, but the inside, the fishes, and all the stuff inside, the seller will negotiate with the buyer on the interior of this. Beautiful open space here. And if you look at the size on this table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seater table, and you still have ample space for people to walk around here. Overlooking this park and a beautiful garden natural, and you just get the feeling here you want to entertain. Something that I want to mention again is this, the height on these doors, and it's also double extra length and double stacking doors coming in. You'll see then as I'm going to the kitchen, movement sensors here, so as we move, lights come on, and also in the scullery. On this side, integrated fridge and freezer, both sides. Quality appliances, and your coffee machine, warm drawers. So your coffee lovers, your machine is built in. Then behind you, 900mm Bosch oven and stove, and enough workspace, plus a prep bowl. Plug points, enough drawers, cupboard space, drawer space on this side. Then I'll take you to the scullery now. On this side, you'll notice the high, big window going up. I even installed a blind for all this natural sunlight that's coming in. Winter time, early morning, beautiful sun that reflecting over this living areas and kitchen. Looking at this, you got your breakfast nook ready, and while you're enjoying your breakfast early morning, the natural sounds of all the bird life in the park behind you. Then you've got a gas fireplace installed here, beautiful finishes, TV room area, and then something unique is the cinema room that is already in place with a door that's covering up on this side. The projector is not included yet. We can negotiate, talking to the seller, but beautiful space opening up onto your entertainment area from here. Let's go and have a look first at the scullery area. Like I mentioned before, I want you to follow me close as we're walking in, that you see the lights that will switch on. On this side, we got a walk-in pantry. And as you see now, the lights switched on. Space for all your appliances, even an extra fridge on this side as well. So 1, 2, 3 appliances on this side. Coming here, looking at your mudroom where you can put your suitcases, shoes, hang your jackets, and direct from here is your garage, and then your powder room. Beautiful. This is more for the guys interested in your server box for all your wiring. Then just over 20 kilowatts of batteries, inverter, and solar panels on the roof. If you look at the size, 4 garages, even space for a caravan, enough storage space here. And this is the whole operating system on this side for your fish tank. This is the heart for your fish tank. Looking at this, all the filters, the pumps, everything you can be controlled from here. I want to show you the outside. Beautiful location as well. Remember, these doors, both sides, folding, stacking, double stackers to both sides. Looking at this pool, overlooking this whole area here, beautiful, with a boma area, and then your braai, prep bowl, and something that I want to show you on this side. You got a small outside toilet plus a basin, and if you guys finished after your swim, then we do have an external outside shower. Looking here at the water feature, that's the noise. Asking what noise is that? Pool pump and the water feature on this side. Looking from here onto your garden, also beautiful space, lots of natural. For those who don't know Midstream, this is your view lifelong. So nobody is going to build in front of you. This is what you see is what you're going to get. Nobody is going to build here, so it's an open natural park, and it's so beautiful. It's winter time now, so the grass is not so green, but still very beautiful. Looking at this beautiful elevation from this side, the northern side. All the doors and the solid structures, combination of steel, concrete, glass, and the lights that's been placed on specific points. You must see this in night time. Guys, let's go upstairs. A lot of people ask, they're looking for open space, and I can promise you, it's not every house that do have all this open space like this property. So this is something very special. Let's go upstairs. Look at the white staircase, and it's smooth walking with a big landing strip, even a small bench on top here. Then working from home, this is your ideal home office. So you got your private door, enclosing it, nobody can disturb you. Even got your own bathroom also on the inside. With a beautiful view over this, onto the balcony, air conditioning, natural lights, and natural sunlight coming in. Again with a double stacker, overlooking this whole area. Shower, give it a toilet, floating basin and vanity. Extra large high doors, beautiful double volume entrance, feature lights coming into the first bedroom, and I can feel the natural temperature. There's not even an aircon on. With the natural sun coming in, you feel the heat in the room today. Beautiful heat coming in. Special plug points fitted next to the bed, your USB, double points, ample cupboard space, dresser area, and then both bedrooms do have full bathrooms, shower, basin, toilet, and a loose standing bath. Beautiful finishes on the inside. Then before we're going down to the other bedrooms, you also will see that all these windows opens up, and then you got this cement slates that's built in such a way that you can only view to the outside onto the park. Nobody from the front of the property can see inside your house. And like I mentioned, all the sliding doors, sliding windows are here for natural flow of air. And a big white passage. The second bedroom, basically a mirror from the one next door. Same, full bathroom, same amount of plugs, air conditioning, cupboards to the top, out onto the balcony, beautiful views, loose standing bath, and then also your shower, basin and toilet. Then for the family, we do have a small kitchenette here, prep bowl, small bar fridge, enough linen cupboards here, air conditioning here. And you'll notice as we're getting to this point here, this is this double window from the bottom to the top. And when you walk here, even in your pajamas, nobody can see you because there's nobody in front of you. Let's look at the main. Also something spectacular, one of the biggest main bedrooms I've seen in a long time. Air conditioning, space for your bed, workspace there, your small lounge area. Again, this double sliders overlooking I even see the guinea fowl running here in the road next to us. Let's look at the main ensuite. Beautiful finishes for the guys looking for their separate toilet. Beautifully separate. Double shower, hand showers inside the shower, tile to the top, floating vanities with beautiful finishes here, loose standing bath, ample cupboard space, space for your shoes, and even your makeup station. So if I can summarize this property, we do have 4 bedrooms, all en suite. It's located in Midstream Ridge. It's going for 15.9 million. It is 680 square meters plus minus under roof, and then 1,200 square meter land located on this beautiful park. Open plan living areas, high volume entrance, and 4 garages, staff accommodation with a lot of extras. Anything you're looking for is in this property. Call me to view this one first.